Meaning of direct rule.
Direct rule.
Direct rule.
Direct rule.
Direct rule. Direct rule refers to the system of government wherein a central authority assumes complete control over a territory or region that would otherwise have a level of autonomy or self-rule. In this system, local government bodies are dissolved and replaced by officials appointed by the central government. The result is a loss of democratic representation and decision-making power in the affected area, and often leads to political unrest and resistance. Direct rule may be implemented for various reasons, such as to quell rebellions or to maintain control over territories with differing cultural or ethnic identities.